Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sherman. Today, I'm going to have my presentation on assignment 4 about product tutorial. Today's I'm going to have my tutorial on GitHub. So let me share the screen first. Okay, now I've shared my screen. So what is GitHub? GitHub is a web-based platform for software development. It's used for version control and collaboration. It allows multiple developers to work on the same project. Okay, then let me go to the GitHub webpage. So let me create a new repository. So we say assignment 4, create it. There will be a link which we need to we need to use it later on. So and then we go back to desktop. In our desktop, we have created the assignment 4 file, and then inside the file we have two files. Inside the folder we have two files. Okay, this is for upload. So we go back to we right click inside the folder, display more, go to get bash. We enlarge it, we make it work, say get initial. So make the folder work. So we select all the file by get that dot. So we will select all the file and then get commit or comment. Then we get remove and origin. Then we need the link. So as to make the local folder to connect to the GitHub repository. So then we get push then file is upload. We go back to here and then refresh. So the file is uploaded. So if we make changes, so we create a git branch. We call it B1. So which git switch B1. We commit. Then we say git push origin B1. Then a new branch is created. So the new file will be, so the update will be uh, upload to the new branch here. So we can see that testing on new branch and we see history. So we see this is in the original file. This is our update. Okay, so if we assume that everything's all right, so we need to move it back to the main. So what can we do? So we say get switch main. Okay, we go back to the original main and then get merge p1 and then get push origin main. Okay, everything update, then get branch. Okay, get push then main, then we get branch. So we did delete B1 the bench locally and then get region delete. Okay, then we go back and then we go to assignment 4. So we see where the main have already merged with um the branch already, and the folder is updated with the latest one. Okay, so this is about my demonstration, and okay, let me talk about the FAQ. I think most of you will have some question about the GitHub. For the first question, is there any GUI for the gate? Yes, there is. There's several tools available for the GUI, make it easier to use the gate. So people don't need to use command line. For example, there is a GitHub desktop and built-in Git integration editor like the Visual Studio Code. There is built-in. You can link the GitHub there. The second question, can we see Git commit history? Yes, you can use Git log. With this command, it will show all the details with the author, date, and commit. Maybe I can show it. So git commit git log. So there is the commit with the name, with the date, and then the commit. Okay. The third question. Can GitHub identify update of files in all formats? No. It can check and store changes for almost all any files format, but not all. It was the best with text-based files, um, just similar to code and TXT file for the Notepad. For binary file, it can't suggest image and PDF. It cannot show the exact difference between versions. You can only store them only. Okay. Yeah, these are the three questions I have for my FAQ. Um, That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.